Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody that's coming up. I know it ain't here yet, guys, but it is coming quickly. Guys, right here this morning at the subdivision. Out here by ourselves, nobody here. Oh yeah, good code. You can see the frost on the ground. Good code, 19 degrees this morning, guys. It's been a minute since I got the fly. Been a few days since I got the fly, so let's get this thing up and go, guys. Got the sky in it, so we're fully legal. So all the haters out there saying I'm flying here illegal, no, I'm not. I have permission. Plus, we got the Sky ID in it, so we're all good. Be tracking the speed and all that good stuff. Got me some hot hands going. Alright, guys, without further ado, let's make sure we got the GPS. Alright, guys, here we go, here we go. Climbing big time for some reason. Wow. And I got the batteries forward, honestly. That's a little crazy different, but okay. Going to add some down. There we go. That's hands-free, guys. Killer. Awesome sauce. Go up here and we'll do some full speed pass. Here we go, guys. Straight up, baby. Look at that, guys. Look at some vertical. And then let off and let it fall. Oh, yeah. Cooking, boy. Snap it. Kill, 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 guys. Whew, it's cold. Guys, we'll do a full speed run down the road. Oh yeah. Here we go, full blast, guys. Kill. Just a touch and go. Not this way, but we come the other way.
Gear down.
Alright, guys, it's just that time. Should have landed it right then, I guess. But this thing is fun. Alright, guys, time to bring her in for a landing. It's cold out. Don't want to use the batteries. I flew the F-86 earlier and ended up running out of battery. Running 5,000 smart pack and it still ran down.
Gear down.
Alright, guys, here we go. Awesome. Killer, guys. Killer, killer. Super duper pooper trooper. Woohoo! Oh, my hands are hurting, guys. I got hot hands, but they ain't helping a bit. Hot hands or cold hands right now. Anyway, guys, there we have it. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. See them beautiful lights. That's just so sweet, guys. It really is. It is sweet, 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 sweet. All right, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like always, there'll be links in the description. Everybody says, what's the best way to help support the channel, guys? Buy from the links. Watch the videos and buy from the links. Best way, guys. It is. Like always, there will be links for all ARF, all that good stuff. 6S, 8S, like we always do. You know how we do it. And just want to give a shout out to all the subscribers, man. Thank y'all. I think we're sitting at like 4,050 something. So it's moving right on up, guys. It sure is. So sure do appreciate it. I hope everybody's having a safe and happy holiday week this week. Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year to everybody. Till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. Bye, bye, bye.